Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm headed to Dollar Tree to pick up some spring flowers to make a really cute door wreath using an old umbrella and of course the artificial flowers. I'm also going to use this foam oasis for dried artificial flowers, and I also have ribbon that I'm going to use to tie. I can't decide if I'm going to use the blue or the lavender, but we'll see at the end. I also found this cute little tag. Sorry for the lighting, but it's just a cute little wooden tag that says spring, also from the Dollar Tree. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to take this old umbrella, and it's important that it's the kind that has the hook. And this is an umbrella that broke, so this is a great way to recycle a broken umbrella. So I'm using a wire to just kind of tie it and cinch it at the bottom so that the flowers will hold, and also that's where I'm going to tie the ribbon. So that's nice and secure. And so next, what I'm going to do is actually hang it on my door. It's a lot easier to put this together while it's hanging on the door. So anyway, I have a few of the foam oasis inside of the umbrella, and I cut off the little umbrella tag as you saw. So now I'm just going to go in and arrange the flowers the way I would with my fresh flowers. So I'm just looking for pleasing colors. I wanted it to be bright and colorful and just look like, all of the flowers just naturally fell into the umbrella. So anyway, I have pink, yellow, blue, and whatever colors I could find. I just really love spring, and this is just a great way to add color to your door. So anyway, I'm going in, arranging the flowers, adding a little purple here and there. I ended up kind of taking out some of the foam oasis in the front because I didn't like the way that bunched up. So I removed some of the foam from the front, and I mostly put it in the back to keep the flowers together. Okay, now that I have the flowers arranged the way I'd like, I'm just gonna go in and add the bow and the spring sign, and pretty much that is it. It's so cute. I'm happy with it. Voila. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick craft video. My name is Carrie B. Thank you so much for watching.